PowerPoint and Google Slides are the most commonly used teaching tools in any classroom. No matter what subject you teach, a good presentation design skills are essential. But to be honest, building a PowerPoint from scratch takes forever. You got to rephrase textbook's content, do research, and edit the details of content. So, today we are going to use MagicSchool Presentation Generator to speed up the whole process of PowerPoint design. Okay, so let's get back to the main menu of MagicSchool AI. As you see, I just put Presentation Generator in my favorite category. Okay, if you want to find it, you can just scroll down to All Tools and you will see Presentation Generator is placed in the middle. You can also press Planning or Content and you will find it up here on the top of the main menu. Okay, so let's just click it to check it out. As you can see, there are two purple buttons. And what are these? Okay, the first one is clear inputs. Sometimes you just input a lot of things in the user interface, however you don't like it or you just want to clear it out. So just press clear input and you clear all the things in here. And the second one is exemplar. Pressing this button will give you an example of how to use these AI tools. These buttons also appears in other tools in MagicSchool AI. Okay, in here it just gives you a very simple example here. 7th grade, number of slides is 5 and a simple topic, and it also gives you a sample of generated content here. And by studying this example, you will easily know how these AI tools works. Okay, however, I need to do a demonstration, so I just clear all the example with clear inputs. Okay, everything just get back to normal. Okay, so let me introduce the inputs in this user interface. The first one is grade level, which is the grade level of your student currently you are teaching. So yes, you can see from kindergarten to 1st grade, 12th grade, and even university. However, these grades are following American student grades. So if you are a teacher in Hong Kong, you may take a reference from this table of transferring American grades to Hong Kong student grades. And the content of American student grades should be a little bit different from Hong Kong, so be aware of that. And the second is number of slides. However, for some reason, number of slides can only be the multiple of 5. Yeah. And you can just modify the number of slides in your presentation. Yeah. And the last input is the most important one, which you need to type the prompts here to describe the topic, standard, content, and objective of your presentation. So let me just input a sample prompt here. For example, I want to teach my student about open and closed circuits. So basically, I just tell the AI to generate a PowerPoint of open and closed circuits, including a real-life example, such as a toy car isn't working before turning on the switch, as an intro. And for the content, I tell the AI to include a small experiment of an open and closed circuits with a switch. And lastly, teaching the student to be aware of electrical safety. However, giving a prompt might not be accurate enough for the AI, so you can just import some additional information for the AI to as a reference by uploading some PDF document or image of worksheets and textbook. For example, here I just put in a sample worksheet about circuits.pdf put here. You can also make reference on online contents by copying the link of the website and then put it here. the AI will take some time to read the content of the website. You also want to add some additional criteria here. You can just tell the prompt to describe it. So let me just press generate. Okay, just take a few seconds to provide me the content of the PowerPoint, which looks nice. However, it's only generated content in text space. So if you need image, you can make use of the image generator I mentioned in last video, or just search it in Google. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with the results provided here, you can send it a message to tell the AI how to modify the content. Okay, if you are okay with the content, so just press export slides and all the content will be thrown into the blank PowerPoint. Okay, just double check the content and export it. Okay, just press open slide and you'll see the content appears in the new presentation file. Okay, here all the contents will move into the new Google slide and look nice. However, it only appears in black and white. So basically the AI will just only assist you in generating content of your presentation in text space. However, if you need to modify the outlook of the presentation, such as background, decoration, something like that, you need to modify yourself. You also need to modify the content by yourself if you are not satisfied with some of the details. I need to just design the PowerPoint by myself. So how does it help me? So basically, it just reduces time for you to think about what content I should put in the PowerPoint, and which saves us a lot of time already. So this is how MagicSchool AI helps us to speed up the process of PowerPoint designing. Last, please be aware that content generated by AI is not 100% accurate. As educators, we have the responsibility to double-check the output before applying it in our teaching.